Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video and it's a brand new subscription box to my channel. I've never ever received it before and it's looking incredible, and this is the April box. And this is what it looks like. Gorgeous, gorgeous box. So if you're new to Look Incredible, I will just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you're just interested in seeing the actual contents inside this month's box, I will add a timestamp down below that you're free to flick forward. So Look Incredible then is a beauty website that sells everything beauty related, and they do 2 subscription boxes. This one here is the Look Incredible Deluxe box. This comes out monthly and it costs £35. Shipping is available worldwide. Shipping in the UK is free, but out of the UK there's an additional cost. They also do another box, and that's the Look Incredible Black box, I believe it's called, and that costs £25 and that comes out every 2 months. All information related to Look Incredible and their other box I will link down below, including any discount codes I can find online. So click on the show more underneath this video and all links and details and everything will be listed down there. So inside this box you get between 4 to 5 full-size luxury items. They're all high-end beauty products. You can cancel any time, and you can also buy these boxes as one-offs as well. So all pre-orders and purchases made at the start of the month, you will receive your box on the 10th of the month, and then if you were to take out an order or a subscription between the 10th and the end of the month, you'll get it a couple of days afterwards unless the box is sold out. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I find out anything else, I will link it down below. So let's open it up and show you what's inside. So this is inside the box. You've got a leaflet here. I've had a quick sneak peek. I haven't opened all the products, but I've had a quick look and a look at the leaflet just so I can tell you a little bit more about it, because it's different, because I've never unboxed this or received it, so I'm a little bit excited. So you've got the leaflet here and it tells you everything about the products, it tells you the price, and it tells you the overall value of the box as well, which this month is £114. But I'll show you first the contents. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see everything in there. So there's no theme as such, it just says April Deluxe Edition, and it's got all the details of the products there. So the first item then, we have got a Dr. Botanicals, and this is a hemp-infused natural nutrition moisturiser. Vegan, cruelty-free and 100% natural. Dr. Botanicals is a really lovely brand, and this is from their Apothecary Natural Collection range. And I know that they've got quite a wide selection in this range. Never tried this though. And this is, what size? We've got 50ml here. Yeah, it's bright green. Can you see there? Nice green colour. I might just try a little bit on my hand. Yeah, just natural, very nice and natural. It feels lovely. It feels really, really nice. So what's it say about it here? So the recommended retail price for this is £24, and it said hemp seed oil and cocoa butter infused day moisturiser, works to protect, nourish and hydrate skin for smooth looking complexion. We believe oils and plant extracts can make a genuine difference to skin. Never tested on animals, this range embodies our belief in the potent power of botanicals. So that's our first item, and it's really lovely. I really like that, so I can't wait to try that on my face. Next, we've got something exciting. Oh, it's a STILA eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. So that's what that looks like there. That's the outer packaging. And this is the Eyes Are the Window eyeshadow palette. The shades are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, some really gorgeous colours there. But, as you might be able to tell, there's a little bit of a crack in some of them. Which ones? Just this one, really. Thankfully, not too bad. So it should be all right. I'll try pressing it down afterwards. Really lovely shades there. Let's try them together. Oh, ooh, that one there. My hand. Ooh. Oh, I love that. I love it. And a nice black as well. What's that like? Just try that on my hand. Although black isn't a popular shade for eyeshadow, it is, for me, it's an important one, even if I just do a tiny bit in the inner corners of my eye, because sometimes when I'm doing a liquid eyeliner, it can sometimes help to connect the outer corners on the bottom, and a black eyeshadow is a lot softer than a pencil. You can smudge out a pencil, but sometimes I like to have a black eyeshadow. But yeah, so I like black eyeshadows. So no, I'm loving that palette. That is gorgeous. So what's it say here? Recommended retail price for this palette is £33. Helping to celebrate 20 years of infinite style, the STILA Eyes Are the Window eyeshadow palette in Seoul helps you to create endless looks gorgeous. Huh? Am I reading that wrong? Hold on. Yeah, helps you to create endless looks gorgeous. Okay, never mind. The palettes have been inspired by the spiritual notion, did true... Huh? Oh my gosh! Hold on, I've got dyslexia, so I do get mixed up quite a bit, but let me read this again. The palettes have been inspired by the spiritual notion, did true beauty lies within. The kit boasts 12 luxurious eyeshadows encased in a beautiful jewellery-inspired compact. So that's our second. Ah, there you go. I was wondering where the shades are, but they've got them on the back there. So that's the second product. There we've got something by Too Faced, and this is the Lip Injection Glossy Juicy Colour Plumping Lip Gloss. And there you go. That's what the outer packaging looks like, and it's in shade Milkshake. Never tried this before. Curious to see what it's like. Hold on, I'll show you there. It's like a beigey, very pale coral colour. I'm not sure if you'd be able to pick it up there. That is lovely. Really nice. I can't try it on my lips because it's so, my lips are completely different to what this is. But no, that is really nice. It's got tiny little shimmery particles in it. But no, colour's lovely. Quite a nice nude natural. That'd be lovely with like a slightly pinky nude sort of lip liner all over your lips. And then this on top. I think that will make, this sort of shade will probably make your lips look quite plump as well. Again, it's a plumping lip gloss. I have never tried a plumping lip gloss that actually plumps your lips and keeps them plump. They give you the illusion that they're plumping because of the tingle and the feel of it, but in all honesty, nah, I've tried so many over the years and they don't do it. But so when I have a product that say plumping, I just ignore the plumping part. I'm just more interested in seeing what their lip gloss is like. So yeah, so I'm happy to try this. This will cost you £19, and it says this moisture rich gloss is infused with our best selling lip injection formula for instant plumping results, plus a tint of juicy colour. Best selling lip plumper infused with tints of juicy colour volume, lasts up to 4 hours, infused with avocado jojoba oils to smooth and soften. So if they do make my lips look massive, I will put a post on Instagram to let you know. Same name as this channel if you're not already a follower on Instagram. So yeah, look out for that. But if you don't see any, then you'll know that it's just a nice lip gloss. So our last product is a familiar for me. And now this is Eve Lom, and this is a face primer, and it's got SPF 30 in it, and it's a familiar because I actually bought this about a year, 2 years ago from TK Maxx, and it's alright, it's nice. I got it because it's high SPF in it, and I like to wear a lot of SPF on my face. Well, not a lot of it, but I like to have it either as a primer on its own or in a moisturiser or in a foundation, so that I'm wearing SPF daily anyway. And yeah, so I tried it. From memory, it's a long while ago now, I think I passed it on. I don't think my skin, it suited my skin that well for some reason, because I don't use it now and I don't remember using it for that long. Gosh, I wish I could remember. It's got a very slight sun lotion type smell to it, which I don't mind that at all. Eve Lom is a lovely product, but the fact that I got it about 2 years ago from TK Maxx is a bit of a makes me wonder where they got this, because usually products that are sold in TK Maxx are usually products that are not out of date. Well, some of them are out of date, but they're products that you can't buy anymore. So I'm wondering whether this is a product you can't buy anymore as well, because I can't imagine it being in TK Maxx like about 2 years ago, with it being a brand new brand. I think I paid, it's under £10, maybe £8, £9, something like that. But to see it in this subscription box, it did shock me a little bit, because it just made me think, okay, if you could have bought this in TK Maxx around 2 years ago, what about the other products in the box? I don't know how old these products are, but I'm really excited. I love this palette and the Dr. Botanicals Moisturising Cream and the Too Faced Gloss as well. It's all lovely high-end products, really nice. It's just this has thrown me a little bit. Yeah, thrown me a little bit. If you were to buy this full price, it would cost you £38, and it says achieve a smoother, more refined complexion with Eve Lom's Flawless Radiance Primer SPF 30, a creamy hydrating formula that blends effortlessly to create a lit from within look. Enriched with vitamin E and sodium hyaluronate, if I said that right, the lightweight primer penetrates deep into the skin to deliver intense moisture, restoring suppleness and elasticity whilst nourishing, firming and enhancing luminosity. Broad spectrum SPF 30 defends against harmful UVA and UVB rays, can be worn alone or under makeup to soften the appearance of fine lines, imperfections and visible pores. That sounds amazing. That sounds absolutely amazing, and definitely something I would look for in a primer, but unfortunately, because I'm a little bit weary about it, I won't be using it because, or at least if I try it, I won't be relying on the SPF, because that is the most important part for me, and I would not want to be wearing an out of date or an old SPF, but I might be completely wrong. So if I am, I apologise to Look Incredible, but I'm just being honest. It's just something I've picked up a couple of years ago. So yeah, I'm going to be looking online to see if I can find it, and if I do, I will link it down below, so just to show you that you can actually buy this now. So altogether, those products came to £114. I think the most exciting one for me is the STILA palette. The shades in there are absolutely gorgeous. I forgot to say at the start, but this box was kindly gifted to me by Look Incredible to do an unboxing review on my channel, so thank you to Look Incredible for sending me this box. I really appreciate it, and there's some lovely items in there that I will be using. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you receive it? Do you think it's good value for money? Is it a box that you've never seen before and you're curious to find out a little bit more? I'd love to know what you think, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.